Hello everyone, this is Jasmine and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will create a test case using theory. Let's continue with our old project unit test scores. In real world, our functions will always expect an input value. Let's write a test case for such a function. Here I have created a function add two numbers that takes two parameters and returns a value. We have to write test case to check whether the output matches the expected result. This is a simple function that takes two decimal parameters and return a decimal. So let's get started. Let's start by giving it a name as followed by the naming convention, class name, function name and expected result. So in our case, the test case name will be static void. Class name is first test class. Then the function name is add two numbers and it returns decimal. So here again we need to declare the AAA, that is a range at assert. This AAA is really very important. So from this video, anything you need to learn is that this AAA. Always keep this in your mind. It is important when you are doing a test case and it is really very important from the interview perspective. So act in arrange we call the class. In act we execute the function. So here our function needs two parameters. We need to pass in the two parameters. There is one way to pass this parameter, that is through theory. So this is going to return, I forgot that. So it's going to return the value in the result. Now we have used a theory. The advantage of using theory is that we can pass parameter values as inline data. So inline data, input parameter 1, input parameter 2 and the expected value. So since ours is addition, we are passing 2, 2 and the answer should be 4. So we are getting this error because we need to declare it over here. So int A, int B and sorry, it's a decimal. So decimal here, decimal and expected value. So this becomes really very easy. Now you can send as many parameters as you want to check it. Inline data 3, 2, 4, 6 and can pass the parameters over here. Now we need to write assertion for it. So result dot should dot be expected value. You can write, like I said in earlier video, you can write more than one assertions. We can also say result dot should dot be in greater than. It should be greater than 2, it should be less than 2, it should be greater than 100, whatever you want you can write it. Just make sure like it should not be not too stringent. The whole reason for this test case is to check that the addition value is you're getting the right addition value or not. But if you write too many test conditions, so your test result will fail and then you will be confused that what is the reason. So make it crystal clear so that it's easy for you to test and you get the output, right output. Let's run our test. So this test succeeded. As you can see, there's a green tick. We can also check in the Explorer. It passed. Now suppose in future by mistake another programmer comes in and here instead of addition plus sign he does the subtraction sign and then submits the code. So since you had a test case, you can run the test case and the test will not be what it should be. So as you can see, there's a cross over here, that means our test failed. So this is very important for us to write the test cases, to make the basic requirement clear so that if our test passes, it's easy for us to check the code. Now suppose we have hundreds of test cases. We can run it and in minutes we will get the result. It will be so easy for us and very convenient. So I hope you like my video and you will get the code in the GitHub. I'll share it in the description. You can check it in the description box. And I hope you like my video. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks for watching.